Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
HVAC installation is quite expensive, probably because it has emerged to be an immensely specialized trade. Owing to controlling humidity, thermodynamics, airflow, refrigerant, electrical, and plumbing, it is now high on demand.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Heating and cooling units. You can rest easy and let the Home Depot install your furnace, air conditioner, boiler, heat pump, or other HVAC unit. From central heating and air systems to ductless mini splits, all of your heating and cooling installation needs can be met.
Take our lead.
Heating 8 telltale signs it's time to replace your furnace. The age of your system. Rising energy bills. Excessive dust, dirt, soot or rust particles. Home humidity problems. Furnace becomes unusually noisy or develops rattles, buzzes or hums. Furnace has visible signs of rust or cracks in or around system. Frequent repairs.
Take our lead.
Is renting right for you? In the end, it all comes down to what best fits your life, financial situation, and personal preference. If you have the cash to replace your furnace and worry about any maintenance and repairs as they come, then buying outright may be the best option for you.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The average cost range for purchasing and installing a gas furnace designed to heat a 2,000 square foot home with a 97% efficiency rating ranges from $3,000 to $8,000, with most homeowners spending around $6,000 total.
Take our lead.
Your furnace is between 15 to 30 years old. However, it is recommended to begin searching for a furnace replacement 15 years after the initial installation. The lifespan of an old furnace is also dependent on the type of fuel it utilizes to heat your home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.